Didn't finish high school? With the Career Plus program, you can take college courses and earn your high school diploma at the same time. There are hundreds of career options to choose from. Complete a certificate in a high-demand career and start seeing the difference in your income. Tuition-free programs are available, and you can even transfer your high school credits and already completed GED and HiSET tests to finish in as little as 6 months. This innovative program is already helping Georgians just like you.
I made a couple bad decisions in high school. Kind of knocked me back a little bit. Kind of discouraged me.
I've tried to go back to school several different times, and it didn't work.
I made a promise to my father. I told him before I turned 35, I'm gonna at least try to get my GED.
I enrolled in a program that I thought I was gonna get my GED. And the teacher there, she said, "You'll be a great fit for this new program that we have." And I said, "What's the catch?" And when she told us, she said, "There's no catch. We're gonna make sure that you're equipped to go forward in the future from this day forward."
I got a phone call which gave me the opportunity to join this program, and I think this was the best decision of my life.
The Career Plus program welcomed us in, helped us with tuition. We literally paid for nothing.
I already had 9 credits from high school, so I went straight into the college program, which was welding. Now, instead of just getting a high school diploma, I get college degree at the same time.
In just 11 months, I was able to get my high school diploma and my 2 college certificates. And I'm done with both high school and college. You're now looking at a college graduate, my love.